Kaibi, hanap mo ba'y quality e-bikes na abot kaya?
Tapos, may mga freebies pa na kagaya nito, saddlebags, lithium-ion pa ang battery. This is the 3S EV Transformer.
Alam niyo, bagay na bagay ang pangalan niyang Transformer para sa EV na ito. Kasi customizable ito at pwede mong i-transform ito in any different look. Pwede itong maging simple, rugged, at classic bike looks. Sa harap, may round type headlight, classy brown seats, at formang panalo kahit saan. Sa performance, may range ito up to 100 to 120 kilometers. May max speed ito na 50 kilometers per hour. At may 1,200 watt hub motor at 60 volts 30 ampere na lithium-ion battery. Matibay at reliable. Guess what? Start of 65,000 lamang ito. And this is the 3S EV Transformer. Stay charged, drive electric. Guess what? Start of 65,000 lamang ito. And this is the 3S EV Transformer. Stay charged, drive electric.